Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can move photos from files to the photo gallery on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and let's get started. So, first, you and I will open the Files app on the iPhone. Next, we'll need to find the photos we want to move. You might have them in a section on my iPhone. I go to the iCloud section. Here we find the folder with the photos. And in order to move it, we have two ways to move it, both of which I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, first one. We open the photo. Then at the bottom of the screen, we see the Share function. We click on it. We scroll down and we see that we have Save Image here. We click on that. Now we go into the gallery. We can see that the last picture we've added is the one we moved. And the second method, we can pinch our photo. We get a menu like this. Then we select Share. And we also select Save Image to save the photo. But what if you don't want to save one photo at a time? If you have a lot of photos and you want to move a lot of photos at once? That's not a problem. Then in the upper right corner, we click on the three dots. Then we select Select. Then we select the photos that we want to move. And now we click on Share. And we also find the Save Image section. Only you'll have the number of your photos that you're moving. So we click Save Image. Now we can go into the gallery. And as you can see, we have all 6 photos moved from the files to our photo gallery. That's how easy you can move photos from files to your gallery on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.